Now I will explain you with the help of an example that how to calculate the probability in various positions. A single question can ask you n number of problems of calculating the probability. Suppose there is a question that a coin is tossed 3 times, or if 3 coins are tossed together. First question may be make it sample space. Second may be what is the probability of all tail, all head, or various situations. So first of all, I am making one sample space if 3 coins are tossed together or one coin is tossed 3 times. What are total possible ways? These are 4 times head, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 times tail. Because reason is one coin has 2 possibilities, second is also 2, third is also 2. So there will be in all 8 possible cases. So to draw the sample space, 4 heads and then 4 tails for first coin. For second coin, 2 heads, 2 tails, then 2 heads, 2 tails. And for third coin, 1 head, 1 tail, 1 head, 1 tail, 1 head, 1 tail, 1 head, 1 tail. We will write on first situation 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 in all these. Second situation will be marked by 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. And third will be marked by 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. These are the sample space. So technique of making the sample space, a coin has 2 possibilities, head or tail. 3 coins has 2 into 2 into 2, 8 possibilities. Half of 8 is 4. So first you write 4 heads, then you write 4 tails. Now half of 4 is 2, 2 heads, 2 tails, 2 heads, 2 tails. Half of 2 is 1, then head, tail, head, tail, head, tail, head, tail. Questions. What are the questions? What is the possibility of getting all heads? Possibility of getting all head, probability of getting all heads is only one probability, one chance. So this happening is our favorable. And total sample space are how many? 8. So probability of getting all heads, probability of getting all 3 heads is what? 1 by 8. This is the answer. Suppose I change the question. What is the possibility of getting 2 heads only? That is probability of getting only 2 heads. So if we talk about 2 heads, I will check how many places are there where 2 heads. This is the situation where 2 heads. This is also situation of the 2 heads. This is also situation for 2 heads. And we will find 2 heads are here, 2 heads are here, 2 heads are here. So 1, 2, 3. 3 are favorable events and 8 is the total events. Sample space. So probability of getting 2 heads is 3 by 8. Suppose question is probability of getting at least 2 heads. That is probability of getting at least 2 heads. At least 2 heads are required, meaning by minimum 2 head or 3 maybe. So at least 2 heads means 1, 2, 3 and this situation 4th one. So we will say it is 4 upon 8, or simplified can be written as half, at least 2 head. Suppose probability of getting none of the head, there should be no head. Probability of getting no head. Probability of getting no head means all tails, which is only single case, that is what? 1 by 8. There may be another question related to tossing only these 3 coins, that what is the probability of getting at most 2 heads. Now I am taking at most 2 heads. Meaning of at most and at least must be clear. At least means minimum that and it may be more, and at most means maximum of that. That is at most 2 head, meaning by either 1 head or 2 head or none of the head will fall for our favorable events. So at most 2 heads means either 0 head or 1 head or 2 head. and meaning of at least 2 heads means minimum 2 heads or maybe the case of 3 heads. So none of the head in this situation, so at most 2 heads means we will leave only the situation where 3 heads are lying. So answer of this will come as 7/8. So similarly, we can go to calculate n number of questions for probability in any situation. Now we will discuss one question, one example related to the rolling or throwing a pair of dice or throwing a dice 2 times. A die has 6 cases, 2 dice has 6 into 6, 36 cases. So first of all, I will write the sample space when a pair of dice is rolled. These sample spaces are 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, 1 5, 1 6. Then 2 1, 2 2, 2 3, 2 4, 2 5, 2 6. 3 1, 3 2, 3 3, 3 4, 3 5, 3 6. Then 4 1, 4 2, 4 3, 4 4, 4 5, 4 6. Next is 5 1, 5 2, 5 3, 5 4. This is 5 4, 5 5 and 5 6. And last situation 6 1, 6 2, 6 3, 6 4, 6 5, 6 6. Now the question raised, this is the situation when a pair of die is rolled or a die is rolled 2 times. This is the total number of happenings, that is the sample space. There may be n number of questions based on this situation. What is the possibility of getting a doublet? We know what is the meaning of doublet. When first and second both dice shows the same, that is 1 1, 2 2, 3 3, 4 4, 5 5, 6 6. So these 6 events are favoring when I am asking a question to calculate the probability of getting a doublet. So probability of getting a doublet, probability of what? Getting a doublet. The probability of getting a doublet is 1 2 3 4 5 6 favorable events, favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes 36. Answer comes out as 1/6. Now if question is required, what is the probability of not getting a doublet? Probability of, suppose probability of getting as a doublet is mentioned by A. So answer of probability of A become 1/6. Now question is, how we will calculate the probability of getting not getting a doublet? So probability of A naught, that is not getting a doublet, is equals to 1 minus probability of getting a doublet.